Wake up. Open your eyes after sleeping.
Get up. Get out of bed.
I wake up at 6 every morning.
I get up and make coffee.
Turn on. Make something start.
Turn off. Stop something.
I turn on the light.
I turn off the television.
Put on. Wear something.
Take off. Remove something.
I put on my shoes.
I take off my jacket.
Look after. Care for someone or something.
Give up. Stop trying.
I look after my dog.
Don't give up.
Try on. Test clothing.
Run out. Have none left.
I try on the shirt.
We ran out of sugar.
Clean up. Make something tidy.
Hang up. Put clothes on a hook or hanger.
Let's clean up the kitchen.
I hang up my jacket.
Pick up. Lift or take something.
Put away. Put in the correct place.
Pick up your toys, please.
I put away the books.
Throw away. Put in the trash.
Drop off. Deliver something.
I threw away the old papers.
I'll drop off the package.
Turn down. Make lower, volume, or heat.
Turn up. Make higher, volume, or heat.
Turn down the volume.
Turn up the music.
Put together. Build something.
Take apart. Break into pieces.
I put together the new shelf.
I took apart the radio.
Check in. Arrive and report.
Check out. Leave and report.
I checked in at 9.
She checked out early.
Fill out. Complete a form.
Hand in. Give something to someone.
Fill out this paper.
I handed in my report.
Figure out. Solve or understand.
Look over. Review quickly.
He figured out the answer.
Look over your notes.
Go over. Review in detail.
Back up. Save or support.
Let's go over the plan.
Back up the files.
Log in. Enter the system.
Call off. Cancel something.
I logged in again.
They called off the meeting.
Bring up. Mention something.
Talk over. Discuss something.
She brought up a good idea.
Let's talk it over.
Speak up. Talk louder.
Shut up. Stop talking.
Please speak up.
He told me to shut up.
Point out. Show or highlight.
Turn out. End in a result.
I pointed out the mistake.
It turned out well.
The language yours. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to check out our other lessons for more daily dialogues, vocabulary tips, and playful practice.